Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to MySQL tutorials. In today's tutorial I am going to teach you how can you use the where clause within your select queries, because where is a very versatile and dynamic clause we have inside MySQL and in MS SQL. So you can do and create every type of query with the help of you can fetch any type of record with any condition with the help of the select and the where clause. So I have created a table in front of you people. This is the simple table with the name customers, and inside this table we have the customer ID and the name and the city and the gender and the type. Okay, so this table I'm going to execute first. Click on the go button. You can see the data is successfully created and the table is successfully created with the name customers. And now what we have to do, we have to execute this and we have to insert some data inside this. For that purpose I have already written a query for so many records. In order to save time of that we have here, let us copy this and come here on PHP myadmin and go on select SQL and paste it here, and here remove the semicolon, and you can see I have multiple records with male and female, and for gender male I have entered 1 and for female I have entered 0. So after adding this whole record inside this table, we'll apply the where clause. You can see 20 records are inserted successfully. So when I click on the customers table, you can see all the records are now successfully added inside the database and inside the customers table. Now let us do some stuff. Here we have select all from customers where. If I execute simple this query, then all the customers will be returned. Let me show you. Select all from customers and now execute it. You can see all the records are appearing in front of you. If I zoom out it, you can see now. Now let's do the other task. Edit. Select all from customers where clause is a very important clause, and inside this clause you can do variety of things. If I wanted the customers of only Karachi city, so I will write here where city is equals to Karachi. So what will happen, MySQL will return me all the customers that resides in Karachi. So copy it and then execute it. So you can see only the records that exist in Karachi are appearing here. Okay, let me write some other query here. Okay guys, so this is the zoom out view. So I have returned with some data here with the city Karachi. Now let us go back to our query and we can write now, instead of Karachi, let's say Lahore, and then execute it. Let us go and click on the go button. You can see I have only one record for Lahore. So I hope you have understood how where clause is working. Now with the with this where clause you can add some more details. Let us see. Edit inline. Let's say I wanted the records from Karachi, I wanted the people of Karachi, but I need all the males, and so you will write this and keyword here. Let me zoom in. You will write this and keyword here, and then you will write and c underscore gender is equals to 1. So what will happen, until and unless these both conditions are satisfied, those records will be fetched out, otherwise there will be no record. So let me show you after executing this. You can see all the males that resides in Karachi are appearing here because the gender I have passed here is 1. Now if I write here 0, so with respect to these two conditions my data is appearing in front of me. So you can see only the females are appearing that resides in Karachi. I hope it is clear to everyone. But if I write some other thing, let's say if I pass here 2, I know that I don't have any ID with any gender with 2, then what will happen? You can see there will be no records because the condition is not satisfying. When you apply and clause inside the SQL in MySQL, then all the conditions that resides between and should become true. If any of the condition fails, you cannot be able to add, or you cannot be able to get the records. Likewise, you can write here or operator and you can specify here the city, or city is equals to Lahore or Islamabad or Multan, whatever. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. We'll continue this in the next class. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.